Well, hello, everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Well, our Gentleman's Roundtable is doing really well. We have the Scally Cap Chronicles, which we do on a Tuesday, and then every other Tuesday we do the Scally Cap Chronicles. And then every other Tuesday that offsets that one. So we do an episode of Off the Brim, which we discuss multiple topics. We did 80s, 90s music. We did some of the great shows and movies from the 80s, 90s, or whatever it might be. And but our Scally Cap Chronicles are dedicated to caps, like either having guests on there that do reviews that we do, that are not a part of the Gentleman's Roundtable, that we have as special guests. And also we have people on there that make the caps. And we've had Todd from Swisher Apparel on there. We've had Todd from Rad Caps on there. And next Tuesday, the 24th, we're going to have Ryan from Peaky Hat. And that is pretty impressive. I mean, we started this a little over 2 months ago, and we're doing real well. We got goals. My goals I set for myself every year, whether it's with work or life in general. I'm a goal getter, and I've instilled that into my daughter. My wife has those same kind of traits. So whatever we try to go into and venture off and do, we try to do the best we can and become the best at whatever it is. And the Gentleman's Roundtable, I wouldn't be able to do that by myself. We got Dub's Hat Hub, we got Ant Ox, and we got First 508th Airborne. We are all driven to get this thing to as big as we can get it. And it's last week we had 723 viewers on across all of our social media platforms, which is big. I mean, compared to our first one we did, only had like 200 and some. But it's pretty impressive. We're building this thing up here with the Gentleman's Roundtable. If you guys could like our Facebook page, we have a Gentleman's Roundtable Facebook page. Subscribe to all of our YouTube channels. Myself, Anox, First 508th Airborne, and of course Dub's Hat Hub. And Dub's Hat Hub is a genius when it comes to making our thumbnails, doing the little AI stuff, the music that he's doing, our little intros and outros of our Gentleman's Roundtable sessions. He's the man behind all that magic, and he does a great job. But the reason I brought up Peaky Hat and Ryan joining our show next week is that I got a Peaky Hat delivery. And one thing about Peaky Hat is they are extremely fast with their packaging, just like everybody else is. And as far as the smaller businesses, and I'm a big firm believer in supporting small business, and this has just happened to be one of them. I got a Peaky Hat here. I got this Ghost GI, another small business, and my buddy Jimmy Guerrero is one to turn me on to this Ghost AI thing, and because I was sick of using my teeth, I guess. And in the long run, it's going to save me a lot of money in dental work. But yep, so this is it here. This is a new release by Peaky Hat, so I'm really excited to see how it looks. And, I don't know if I've seen a review on YouTube yet for this. So hopefully this will open up a lot of doors for people who are thinking about getting this cap. And if it's, hopefully it's a good one. I am 100% on Peaky Hat so far. They are amazingly made. And when you put them on your head, you can feel the difference of the quality of cap comparative of others. I mean, I'm not saying that the others are bad quality, but it's just a certain feel that Peaky Hat has that is pretty awesome. And again, this is the Garrison Solo. It's by Peaky Hat. Of course, they come with all these little bags. Ace, you're not coming in just yet. I'll let you in. Come on. So this is the Garrison here. I'm going to take all this little padding out, see if I got anything else. And come on, computer. There's your box, bud. I got you a box. Awesome. I got another sticker. I got two of these now, so I can put these on my water bottle. In fact, I'll add this one to my water bottle here that I have my Garbage Pail Kid Gentleman's Roundtable, my Reviews of Moose on the other side. I got room down here to put another one on here for Peaky Hat. So I'm going to go ahead and add that too there. So next time I see this water bottle here, and you can get these stickers on my Redbubble shop, but yeah, that's not why we're here. Of course, we get the little information card, the Steam tutorials, email, text. Of course, you got the another tutorial for the Steam, the perfect fit ribbon that tells you how to size it and use the ribbon inside, because all these do have a little ribbon on here, and these can actually tighten your caps. But here it is, the Garrison Solo. This is the large. It's a 5960. Of course, you got that so light of material. I don't know who the genius is that made this material and this such lightweight. But as you can see here, it's got the little drop off on the back. It's got the 90-degree angles here, and this is something I have not had from Peaky before. Again, this is the Garrison Solo by Peaky Hat. And I'm really excited to try this one on. But I do like how that is got that sharp edge on the back. As you can see. What are you doing, Ace? I tell you. Unbelievable. So, yep, this is it here. And you can see like I was saying about the seams here. See how it's got that 90-degree seam? You also got another one on the back, one on the other side. And these are so well made. High quality fabric, high quality cat. They're light, they're extremely lightweight. I mean, they're real floppy, really is lightweight. And it's amazing because even when it's like really cold outside, these somehow keep your head warm. Like I said, I don't know who the rocket scientist was who made this kind of invention to keep your head warm. But what we're going to do here now is we're going to pause the video. We're going to show you a close-up. We're going to play a couple commercials on the way for our Gentleman's Roundtable. And see what this looks like on after that. Let's go and show you a close-up. And here is the close-up of the Garrison. This is the Garrison Solo. Again, this is the large. Right here it shows the large. It's a 5960, the silk inside lining. My friend Brian, I got these turned on to these caps. He's in Myrtle Beach. Brian, you should have seen his reaction as well when he tried one of these on, because he purchased a Peaky Hat. And now I got him addicted to caps as well. And I do apologize, Brian, but at least you get to spend your money on something rather than playing pool, and you no longer play disc golf. So, yeah, but that is it there. The Garrison. And now it's that time. The time to try it on.
Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern.
Looks like you made your way in that box there, Ace. Hey. Yeah, you fit good in there? Well, thanks for the free gift there, Ryan. And from Peaky Hat and Ryan 2.0. Ace loves the box. Let's go ahead and see if you can fit it all the way in there, bud. No, you don't think so? Well, you're going to try, I'm sure. So it's about that time to try the Garrison on. I'm going to go ahead and add this pin to it. That's a pretty cool looking pin. And this thing is magnetic. And I'll show you. I mean, it's like really, really tough to get that apart. And I wish like more companies would go to this kind of style, this magnetic back. One, you don't have to worry about damaging your cap. Two, it's heavy duty, so you don't have to worry about it sticking out at all, or sticking or falling off or anything like that. Where those pin ones, sometimes those rubber backings come off, and you're walking, and the next thing you know, you see the pin fall off the cap. That's happened to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this one on the side over here. Yeah, that should be good. All right, so I got it on the side here. And now we are going to try this bad boy on, the Garrison Solo Peaky Hat. It is that time. I'm ready. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's magic material. It's magic fitting. It forms in your head. It's a great product. Peaky Hat has got this down to a science. And this thing looks sharp. Wicked sharp. Nice. Even got Ace back there. He's doing something. What are you doing now, bud? Nothing. Just paying attention. Staring at the wall. But that is a good looking cap. Another perfect cap from Peaky Hat. Wow. This is the Garrison. Let's see if I can go show you the back side of this too. I don't know if that can come in or not. I've got eyes in the back of my head. So you can see that 90-degree angle there. Oh, that's terrible. There we go. Wow. A great fitting cap. Again, these Peaky Hats are absolutely tremendous. And yeah, good job, Peaky Hat. You guys got another home run here. If I'm grading this on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, this is, I mean, just the fit of this thing. Oh my gosh. This is a 4.5, 4.6 all day. All right. Again, Peaky Hat, congratulations on another fantastic cap. Awesome customer service, supporting small business. And I look forward to having you on Tuesday. This Tuesday coming up, February 24th. Yeah, that pin really sets it off too. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this Garrison, and if you guys already purchased one, or are you guys waiting for it, or if this is going to be the sway you to purchase one, put that in the comments. Again, Reviews with Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching, everybody.
Drop day morning, phones in hand. Austin, Scally noon, that's the plan. Folky Brim Swisher, Peaky live. Refresh the page, don't blink, don't try. Flat caps low, newsboys warn. Gas beach broken and rain or storm. Under the brim, that's how we move. Off the brim, same hard groove. Hat hustling, catching all them drops. Under the brim, till the clock won't stop. Dubs had hub reviews with Moose and Ox. 508 airborne, all that can stop. Hat hustling, pages reload. Miss one drop, still on the road. Hat hustling, head down, brim low. That's the life, if you know, you know. Off the brim, 2026. Tell them it's round table in the mix.